Hi everyone there, I'm Naz here. Hope you're all doing fine at home. So let's start with the subject English, grade 3, topic A Wonderful Gift. A Wonderful Gift is written by James Baldwin. Let me give you a brief introduction on James Baldwin. So James Baldwin was a famous American teacher and a writer. He wrote many stories and books. He also wrote many school textbooks also. Now coming back to the lesson, a wonderful gift. So first of all, let me tell you the meaning of wonderful. Wonderful means excellent, brilliant and fantastic. And about this lesson is based on a little boy from America who is called as Benjamin West. So let me start the story in brief. A Wonderful Gift. This boy loved pictures very much. He had never seen pictures except for a few small ones in books. His parents thought that by seeing pictures he would distract from useful things, and so they did not encourage him to see any pictures and spending money on the pictures. One day, his mother had to go out and ask Benjamin to take care of the little sister until she come back. Since he loved his little sister very much, and he did what was told to do it. The baby was sleeping and he was sitting next to the baby and doing nothing, and soon he felt bored and alone. As he watched the sleeping baby, he thought he could make a pretty picture of his sister. He had no paper, no pencil, but began to draw on a cardboard and a piece of a charcoal. The picture grew very nice. He was so busy in drawing that he did not think of anything else. He did not hear even his mother arrived. His mother asked him, "What are you doing?" He was so scared and told that it was only a baby's picture. When the mother saw the picture, she was overjoyed and even hugged the little boy. But she was worried if the boy was right in drawing the picture. She asked him how he had learned to draw such a lovely picture. The boy said he just did it. He could not stop from drawing it. When Benjamin's father came home, his mother showed the picture and asked it was a wrong of Benjamin to do such a thing. Father did not say anything but said his mother to put it away. Many days later, a priest from the church had come to their house. Benjamin's parents showed him the picture. They also told him that he was always trying to draw something and if they should stop him for doing so. The priest was so very much impressed that he kept on looking at that picture for a very long time. And then he blessed the child and said that the boy had a wonderful gift and that he would bring honor to his country. The words of the priest came true. For many years later, he became a great painter and his paintings made him very much famous. So children, this is the short story about a talented boy. He was born talented. And the moral of the story is we must not waste our talent. We have to work hard if we want to perform it well. The talent may be anything like singing, dancing, drawing, like anything, but we have to work hard on it to prove it. So children, this was an explanation of this lesson. Please go through the lesson, read twice and see to it you understand each and every line of it. Please subscribe to us. Do not forget to share it with your friends. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and thank you.